오 라소 다데드레 진짜 니베기 세숨 사풀부 로스앤젤레스타 이니 산에기 휴먼 라이츠 기 촉바 그룹 신장 홍콩 아니 벼봐 참에 기념으로부터 네 드리데 노 베이징 올림픽스 목요일 캠페인 제시 바이 이나 벌써 시로나 미 가라 간선 페이샤
Shame, China, shame. China, shame. No human rights, no Beijing Olympics. No human rights, no Beijing Olympics.
No human rights, no Beijing Olympics.
Shame, China, shame.
Shame, China, shame.
No human rights, no Beijing Olympics.
No human rights, no Beijing Olympics. Hola, so ini untuk campaign session bayi.
Games on TV. NBC, no Olympic Games on TV. NBC, no Olympic Games on TV.
Boycott, fight. Xi Jinping, shame. Shame. Xi Jinping, shame. Free Tibet. Free Hong Kong. Free East Turkestan. Free Uyghurs. Free Tibet. Free Hong Kong. Free East Turkestan. Free Uyghurs. Stop the genocide. Tibet. Stop the torture. In Tibet. Free Tibet. Free Hong Kong. Free East Turkestan. Free Uyghur. Free Tibet. Free Tibet. Free Hong Kong. Free Uyghur. Free East Turkestan. Shame. China, shame. Xi Jinping, shame. No Olympics. No human rights. No games. No human rights. No games. Stop watching Beijing Olympics. Boycott the Beijing Olympics. Boycott the Beijing Olympics. Free Tibet.
To stand up against the CCP bullying. We want to be the voice for the millions of people that don't have a voice. They are either in forced detention camps or concentration camps in East Turkestan or in Tibet. And also, you know the situation in Hong Kong. Hong Kong's like changed overnight. It used to be a thriving economy with free speech, but now it's a shell of its former self. So I think we are here to represent them. Do we want to be silent? Nobody wants to be silent. Look at that. We are here to let the CCP government know how we feel. We represent millions of Tibetans, the Uyghurs, the Hong Kongers, the Southern Mongolians, and other Turkic Muslims. We represent them. We live in a country where we are free to say what we want.